May bakit tayo nga ito at pwede. Pagkita ni Ganong.
Okay, so meron tayong upgrade ngayon. Isang desktop. We have an Acer TC1770. Upgrade tayo ng RAM. Price namin to 250. DDR4 Elite DDR4 AMD 16 gig and it's a 32 megahertz speed. So let's go, upgrade natin to, which is ito is an 8 gig DDR4 memory, same speed 32, same speed yung ano from here, same speed natin daw. So let's open up and palit tayo ng RAM. So first off, paano to kalasin? We have it two tourniquets. Yun yung ating bubuksan. So tools natin, hindi ba? Let's try to open. Yeah. So tanggalin natin yung tourniquets. Gawin lang natin, hilahin natin ito. There you go. So tanggal. Let's put it up. So, lipat ko muna yung video natin. This is the RAM. This is the inside of the TC1770 desktop ni Acer. The power supply, CPU. And this one is may built-in siya na HDD and M2. Magkasama yan, M2 and HDD. Let's go, tanggalin ko yung 8 gig, palitan ko ng 16 gig. Dito sa side, sa upper, from the upper dun sa power supply, alisin natin yung clip, and then hilahin natin yung RAM. There you go. This is the RAM. Okay, we have the same speed at 32 megahertz. This is our RAM, new RAM. There you go. Same clip. Done. I'll return it. may click sound. Tik! Sabi niya, okay, na-click na natin yun. Then, there you go. That's how we upgrade our RAM. And after that, of course, balik na na yung gawin natin. Balik na natin yung cover.
naman doon po. Ha? Andam. Notice it. Madami. Andam sa baba. Sa baba. Come on. You can see it. Dito ako. Dito ako. Wala nga na kayo nag-order ako, mami. Yes.
There you go, it's done. Let's on.
65 limit.
Thank you for viewing and hope